Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by locating Clock app and tapping on it. Now select Alarm section at the bottom left corner and click on those three dots at the top right one. Select Settings and manage all of them under Alarms however you wish to. When you finished, go back. Then, to create your alarm, select this plus at the bottom. Following that, set up an hour and decide if you wish for your alarm to ring once or you prefer to set up days of the week. If you wish to select them, tap on Custom instead and click on the ones that you wish to exclude. So I will set up Mondays and Fridays. When you're ready, click on Alarm Name and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then click on this switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. After that, tap on Ringtone. Select Allow in the pop-up. Hit Allow in Statement of Use 1 and then pick the best option for you. You can tap on Weather Adaptive and enjoy your ringtone changing depending on the weather. Tap on Spotify, log in to your account and use music from it. Tap on this device and click on the song from your smartphone. Or select one of those system ringtones, like Dreamy Jazz. Whatever you decide to do when you finished, just go back. Now tap on Snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also disable it completely by tapping on blue switcher next to it. Then switch it back on by tapping on gray one. When you finished, tap on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it and click on one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to make some changes, click on your alarm, change whatever you wish to and tap on the check mark again. Lastly, to remove it completely, hold it and tap on Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!